What's wrong, babe? What's wrong, babe? What's wrong, babe? What's wrong, babe? What's wrong, babe?
I suck.
So you don't want to make a video?
What do you want to make a video about?
Well, wouldn't you feel better if you made a hottie toddy?
Alright. And it's a hot toddy.
Ah!
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we're making a hot toddy.
Is that my robe?
No, it's not your robe. I bought this.
Where'd you buy it?
Instagram. Didn't know I knew about Instagram, did you? Yeah, I know about it. Alright, what do we need to make a hot toddy? First off, and most importantly, some Bourbon. We're using Old Granddad. Next, we're gonna use some green tea.
You can use any kind of tea.
You goddamn cannot use any kind of tea. Use green tea!
No.
But yeah, you can use black tea, herbal tea, what kind of teas you like. We're using green. And we are going to use some honey that we cut down with water, so it's a honey simple syrup. Half honey, half water. Or
Equal parts!
equal parts! Woo! Always be drinking. ABD. Don't judge. Don't judge me.
Nobody's judging you.
We are gonna use some lemon juice and some cinnamon. First off, let's get the tea going. This one's called a teapot. We put some water in there and we're gonna boil it for tea.
Everybody dance out!
Show me the music!
Ew. Stop.
I'm sick. I can
You're
do
like
whatever I want.
I don't think you're sick. You look like a walking polka dot fairy.
All the ingredients now.
Stop beating the lemon.
Everybody dance out!
You're dumb.
Soccer. FIFA.
Stop! You don't even know how to play soccer.
You don't even know. Trick view! Alright, we got the tea going. Let's start making the drink. So we're gonna do 2 shots of bourbon. 1, 2. Different angle because Evelina was getting tired. We got 1 shot of honey simple syrup. That is 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of water. 1 shot of that. Pure lemon juice. And we're gonna do half a shot or half an ounce of pure lemon juice. Lastly, we're gonna finish it off with a couple of shakes of cinnamon. Alright? Boom, boom, boom. And by a couple, I mean a few. Let's shake her up. Cool.
Ah! Oh my god! What the hell happened?
My fucking life got ruined.
So, darling, why do you suppose that happened?
Well, you fucking a-hole. We're gonna have to start this goddamn over again. Are you gonna have a hot toddy?
Oh my god, my leg!
Because we can
I
fucking
just ran
split
into
it.
the tree!
Son of a bitch!
Hurry, cause the sun! We're losing sunlight!
Alright, we need to shake this up. Shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Not too much, just shake it a little bit. And, oh, do you hear that? I think our water's done! Teapot's done, Angle. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take that water and we're gonna brew some tea skis. We're gonna let that steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Japanese. We got our tea brewed. I shook this way too early. Let's be honest with the people, okay? We shook it way too early. The water was just getting done. We forgot to steep the tea. The tea is now steeped. Let's just shake this a couple more times to get those ingredients mixed together. Done. That's it. That's all you need. Okay? We're gonna pour this into our mug. That's the good stuff right there, okay? Don't let that go to waste. You shake it all out of there.
Ew.
Now, let's pour in our brewed tea. Right? Son of a bitch.
I think you spilled.
Right into there. Teacup you. Super Saiyan. Why is it not working? Oh, fuck you, Tomek. This fucking cup is broken.
No.
Super Saiyan mug sold separately. Drink in there. Give that a little stir. Stir it up a little bit.
Are you stirring that with your thermometer?
Temperature, delicious. We're just gonna garnish that off. Cinnamon stick and a little bit of lemon, huh? Like that, right in there. Hot toddy. Hot toddy. Hot toddies.